Hi there, Dori Soukup here with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from John in New Jersey. John is asking, I have been in business for 3 years. I have not hit the $1 million mark yet. Will it be beneficial for me to attend the Millionaires Circle seminar? That's a great question, actually. I'd like to tell you who this seminar is ideal for. Though you have not hit your million, it would be a good idea to attend it. But first I want to clarify and see if you've been to the Leap Ahead seminar yet. If you've been to the Leap Ahead seminar, which probably you have not because you have not hit your million yet, John. So you need to get your hiney down for the Leap Ahead. Because in the Leap Ahead, I teach you how to hit at least your first million. Then come to the Millionaires Circle because then you can hit multi-millions of dollars. So really it depends on where you are with your business. You might want to give us a call and let us find out a little bit more about what you do and where you are in your business right now to make the proper recommendation. But either way, the Millionaires Circle is definitely a good event to attend. And let me tell you why. The Millionaires Circle is a 3-day event, and in it I go over the TMSP system. And the whole idea behind the Millionaires Circle is how to target the affluent. So you don't have to play price war games anymore. You don't have to discount your prices. You're not doing Groupons. You're actually rising everything up. You're raising your prices. You're raising your menu items. Everything is going to be elevated to a whole new level when you attend the Millionaire Circle. So the T in the TMSP system is how to target, how to market is the M, how to sell, because it's totally different to sell affluent than to sell your non-affluent people or average people. And then the P is how to profit. And that's why it's so important to come to the seminar, because I'm going to teach you how to price all your treatments and your products so you are maximizing your profit opportunities. So it's 3 days filled with all about positioning, marketing, and how to charge more and attract those affluents that can afford what you do. It's an amazing event. The workbook that we go over is all here for you. And there's a whole workbook in the back because we actually do the exercises right in the seminar too. So you're going to leave with an entire strategic plan on how to step into the Millionaire Circle. And one other thing I want to clarify, when I'm talking about a Millionaire Circle, I'm not talking about the millions in your gross revenue, because it's easy to do 2-3 million in gross revenue. It's how much you get to keep. That's the most important thing. So the people that come to Millionaire Circle, if you are part of our community, the process should be you come to Leap Ahead, you come to the Millionaire Circle, you become a member, then you can start coming to all the mastermind meetings, and now you're really into the Millionaire Circle. So those are all the tools that we provide in the seminars to help you step up your performance so you can live the lifestyle that you deserve. And that's what I would like to help you with, John. So if you too are in that same situation and you're ready to step up and generate millions, then make plans to join us for the next Millionaire Circle, and let me chart a path for success for you and your team members. Hope this helped you, and I look forward to seeing you soon. So go to inspirationmanagement.com. We have an entire page. There's also a webinar that you can watch about the Millionaire Circle. So feel free to check it out and see all the information that we have there for you. So inspirationmanagement.com. You have a question? Make sure you email us to info@inspirationmanagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.